So I've been asked to come up with a way to draw out my pattern without using the printer. So I'm going to try to explain it here as best I can. So first we need to measure a circle at 10 1/4 inch circumference. So your compass needs to be measured at 5 1/8 inch. So to do this, it's helpful to have a sewing ruler that you're able to measure properly with. So most important thing to start with is a dot where you're going to start your compass from, because it helps you to measure and to mark everything we need to do. So from that dot, go ahead and draw your 10 1/4 inch circle. So once you've got your circle drawn, you're going to find your center point, and then you're going to go ahead and draw a line. So now you're going to turn your ruler and find your center point and match your sewing ruler up with that line. So you can see how it just matches to go across. It allows you to square it up. And then once you get that center point again, you're just going to draw a line down. You're going to pick just one of the quarters. So now you're going to pick one of those quarters out, and you're going to, from the top of the circle down the line, mark 3 1/4 inches, and then you're going to go ahead and turn that quarter around and do the same on the other side. Then you're going to go ahead and
line across there,
put your ruler at those two dots and line it up and draw another line. So now you're going to find your center mark in that circle again, and you're going to draw a line up from that line we just drew across. From that line, you're going to measure down 1 1/8 of an inch. And once you get that measurement, you're going to go ahead and square it up and draw across. And then once you've got that, you're going to go to that dot from the top, and it ends up being 1 3/8. You're going to measure over from that center line just to double check it, but otherwise you're getting the line down the edge there. And then you'll do the same on the other side, another 1 3/8, joining up from that dot we first did, and then you're going to come down. Now this is a template that's used for the front side of the mask, either whether you're doing the one with the pocket or not. It does require this template. However, if you are wanting to make my pocket filter mask, we need to add on a few details to that. Basically, you're going to line up your ruler with that bottom line that we just drew, and then you're going to keep that line, and you're going to go all the way up to the top of the circle there. So now we're going to go ahead and draw a line 1 1/8 inch above, and then we're going to go to the other side of that line at the bottom, line it up, and we're going to come back up again and do 1 1/8 of an inch on that one. And then basically what we do is at that 1/8 of an inch, we double check it on each side. And then once we get it checked, we're going to go ahead and use the ruler and draw the line across there for that pattern. All right, now you've completed making the template for the pocket filter mask. So if you have any comments or questions, let me know. Subscribe, like. It's not my best work. It's kind of hard to see the lines, but my circumference only goes in a pencil. So anyway, thanks for watching.